In this tutorial, I am going to show you the best free alternative of Microsoft Office, and it's called LibreOffice. So you can basically do everything that you can do in Microsoft Office in LibreOffice as well. So I'm going to show you how you can install LibreOffice on Windows and how you can use it. So for it, just go to any browser, and in the browser search for LibreOffice, and here you can see libreoffice.org. So you need to click here and you will see this option, download it option. You can just check out the website. So I'm just going to directly click here, download it, and it will show you all the version. Here you can see Windows 64 version over here. So I'm just going to click here and it will start downloading in a few seconds. There you can see it is downloading and it is around 355 MB. So it will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this downloaded file. So it will show you something like this. So you just need to click on next and choose the typical option, then click on next and create a desktop icon. Keep this checked and click on install. So this will start installing LibreOffice. So just check the Microsoft Edge and here choose this option. Do not close application. A reboot will be required to complete the setup. Okay. So I'm just going to click on OK. And here you can see installation is done. So we just need to click on finish. So after installing LibreOffice, you need to restart your PC. But for now, I'm going to say no. And here you can see we have a LibreOffice icon over here. So once you restart, we'll see the proper icon over here. So let's just open this. Let's just double click here. So it will open the LibreOffice. And there you can see we have multiple options. You can open a odd file. This is odd file. Here you can see. So you can create or write anything over here. Create your odd file. Then here, if you now click on file new, here you can see you have presentation option. There you can see. And here, if I click on file, click on new, here you can see spreadsheet. This is basically the Excel. There you can see. So you can do anything that you can do in Microsoft Office in LibreOffice. So yeah, this is how you can install LibreOffice and use it as an alternative of Microsoft Office. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.